Food and activities, rest-play ratio. Making sure that you're eating holistic nutrition, you're having your proteins, your carbohydrates, and your fats. When I say carbohydrates, I'm talking about root vegetables and fruits that are suitable for you. Everyone's different, but pick what you need and what works for you. And then making sure that you're having the right rest-play ratio throughout the day. So, you know, you've got to remember that your natural cortisol levels are going to spike in the morning. They're going to slowly decline till about 3 p.m. That's the 3 p.m. slump. And then they pick back up again and then they go back down again. That's normal, okay? How can we supplement this? We can supplement this with really good high metabolic food, which is going to keep our blood sugar levels sustained, not too high, not too low, and our energy levels sustained throughout the day. That's one thing that I think is very important that is so overlooked. Meal frequency and meal combination, having the protein and the carbohydrates to make sure there's a balanced meal there, okay? Avoid chocolate, stimulants after 2 p.m. every day, okay? That goes for like coffee, black tea. Basically try and stop the stimulants early on in the afternoon. If you have it too late, it usually keeps you too stimulated and it just won't be that useful for you. So definitely avoid chocolate and stimulants from 2 p.m. onwards. We've got here for dinner, don't eat dinner too late and don't eat too much for dinner. You know what it's like if you eat at 8 o'clock at night, the sun's gone down 2 to 3 hours before that, and you're so full that when you lie down, you feel like, you know, the food's up here somewhere, okay? Again, really simple thing, but this goes back to your day. If you're having breakfast at the set time, then you're having a snack, then you're having lunch, then you're having a snack, then you're having a dinner, it's good. But if you skip meals and you're sleeping way longer than you should and your routine's all out of whack and all of a sudden you're eating at 9 o'clock at night and then you have dessert on top and you've got all this sugar sitting on top of this beautiful high protein, solid carbohydrate meal, your stomach's doing a lot of work. You know, it's awake, it's working. So try and have dinner at an earlier time. 6 to 7 is ideal when the sun goes down. And if you're hungry, then have a light snack before bed. But that will help a hell of a lot. You know, yeah, small snack before bed if you're super hungry. Again, rest-play ratio. If you are resting, find the right rest-play ratio, which is basically your baseline. Again, I'll leave a link in the description. We have a free 25-minute training for you, which will help you determine your baseline so you can stop pushing and crashing all the time and basically be more consistent, which is, again, going to help you with your sleep.